Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get to the fuse box in a BMW 1 Series. All you need to do is open the glove box. Now what you'll see is down here there's a little clip. So this is the shock absorber to stop the boot from just falling down. All you need to do is take this bit and push it out. And that should just pop out like that. And a good idea is to try to boost that up just so you can get it out of the way so it doesn't catch again. Next part is up from here. You'll see that there's a little clip and a little button which is just here. So if you press that in, you'll start seeing that little nib down here, and just move that so it's just out of the way, like that. To disconnect the other side, you want to move across to this side, and if you see on this little button just here, you want to lift the glove box up a tiny bit, move that across and drop it out. Now the whole thing sometimes takes a couple of goes, so just keep doing it and you should just see the glove box drop down like that. And as you can see, here's the fuse box, which is really difficult to get to, and in this section you'll have a sheet which comes with the car. Now if you haven't got this, I've provided it anyway, so you can take a screenshot or do whatever you need to look at this diagram. And on the back there is some more instructions, and you can see on this part here, this is where all the fuses go, which relates to the back of this card. To put everything back together, it's quite simple. Just boost the whole thing up, push in the buttons each side like we did before, clip it all back into place. Just don't forget to put that shock absorber back in until it clicks, and there you go. And that is where you find the fuse box in a BMW 1 Series. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more videos like this.